Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? What if I told you there are AI-powered side hustles that can pay you more than your full-time job, and you can start them today with little to no experience? In this video, I'm breaking down 5 lucrative side hustles you can launch right now using AI tools that do most of the work for you. Let's get into it. In 2025, AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's multiplying opportunities. These tools allow you to produce faster, work smarter, and scale quicker than ever before. Whether you're looking for a side income or a full-time replacement, AI-powered hustles are the ultimate shortcut. Freelance writing is exploding, and AI tools like ChatGPT can write incredible blogs and email newsletters in minutes. Offer businesses a package, 4 SEO articles, and 2 newsletters per month for $1,000 to $2,000 per client. Land just 3 clients and you're making $5,000 a month. With tools like Midjourney and Canva, you can create stunning logos, Instagram templates, and branding kits. Charge $300 to $500 per design package. Sell 10 packages a month. That's another $3,000 in your pocket. ElevenLabs makes professional voiceovers easy. Audiobooks, YouTube narrations, or podcast intros can be created in minutes. Charge $500 per project, and just a few clients a month can replace your 9 to 5 income. YouTubers are desperate for editors. Use tools like Pictory and CapCut to create short-form content or add subtitles automatically. Charge $100 to $200 per video, and with 5 clients, you're making $1,000 plus per week. Businesses pay big money for insights. Use Perplexity AI to compile market trends and build professional reports. Charge $750, $1,000 per report, just 2 clients a month, and you're already ahead of most full-time salaries. You don't need to master all 5 hustles. Pick one, build a simple offer, and find your first clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. The key is starting now, not 6 months from now when the competition is fiercer. Which side hustle are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more strategies to escape the 9 to 5 and level up your income. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.